Subscribe to Pop Diaries and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.
Tiger Shroff, who's a voice in Hindi for Spider-Man Homecoming. The film is releasing on 7 July 2017 in 3D and IMAX and in English, Hindi, Tamil and Telugu. Now, let me just tell you guys, it's 10 days to the release of the film and we guys are extremely excited. The early reactions to the film have been fantastic in US. It's open to the critic screening and it's been fantastic response. And, without much ado, to talk more about Spider-Man and to talk about our association with Tiger Shroff, I'll call on stage our MD, Mr. Vivek Krishnani. Vivek, could you please join us on stage?
हमेशा होता है ऐसे फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू आई नो बहुत बरसात हो रही है बाहर एंड काफ़ी परेशानी हुई होगी यहाँ तक पहुँचने में बट रियली रियली अप्रिशिएट ऑल द एफर्ट दैट यू हैव टेकन टू जॉइन अस टुडे फॉर दिस इवेंट ऑफ आवर्स Spider-Man is actually a very special film for us because it is one of the biggest family entertainers that one can come across, especially with regards to a superhero film. When you look at films, कोई फिल्म कॉमेडी होती है, कोई फिल्म एक्शन होती है, कोई फिल्म थ्रिलर होती है. The beauty about Spider-Man is that it is a mix of all of this, and that is what makes it extremely special. The most important part about this film is that it is different from the previous versions. अलग है थोड़ी, because it is basically bringing Spider-Man back into the Marvel cinematic universe. यहाँ पे Peter Parker, who is a little boy in this film, is basically trying to understand what it takes to be a superhero. And I'm not going to share more about the film. In fact, there's something which is as a surprise for you, some Indian element in the film, which I don't think I'll talk about it. You all should see it when you do. As Lada mentioned, the film has got fantastic reviews internationally. जिसने भी देखी है in the US and other countries, the reviews have been very, very good. And I hope the Indian audiences will show the love to this film here as well. There is, for you today, I'd like to kind of share with you the Hindi trailer for Spider-Man and a couple of very interesting making of pieces of the film. Can we cue the content, please? The film is actually releasing in Hindi, Tamil and Telugu along with English. But क्या आपने सोचा कि हमने आपको सिर्फ हिंदी ट्रेलर क्यों दिखाया? And for that, actually, we have to thank the media. Thank you. Because आपके द्वारा ही हमें पता पड़ा कि टाइगर इतना बड़ा फैन है स्पाइडरमैन का एंड वो उसका चाइल्डहुड हीरो भी है एंड वी आर एक्चुअली वेरी थ्रिल्ड to that Tiger agreed to dub the voice of Spidey in Hindi. As you all know, Tiger has a very huge appeal amongst the youth and the millennial audience. But besides that, he's also loved by the older generation as well because of the fact that his films have been clean family entertainers. And it's not just the voice, it's also the dexterity and the agility that Spider has that matches with what Tiger has always personified. And I think this marriage was waiting to happen. Tiger has actually gone the extra mile for the dub, for the Hindi voice. I'm not going to tell you more about it. To tell you more about it, I'd like to welcome the man himself. Can we have Mr. Tiger Shroff on stage? And to welcome him specially, we've got the fans of Spider-Man who've actually landed up here today to actually bring him up on stage. Can we have Mr. Tiger Shroff along with the fans up on stage?
say thank you to the Spidey fans. Thank you so much for joining us today. Yeah, let's go. Thank you. Thank you.
Check.
I would call back our Spidey stuntman because that's a Spider-Man in the original suit. So please come on stage. Peter Parker.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Kiran. Thank you. So, Tiger, thank you so much for this association. We are extremely glad that this could happen. And the first question always is on everybody's mind. And when we first reached out to you with the idea, and can you just tell us what was the thought running in your head? Why did you agree to be a part of Spider-Man?
मुझे याद है उस वक्त हम जिम में थे, you and me, and it's all thanks to Vivek sir and Lada sir. I mean, these guys are instrumental in recruiting me for this, so thank you so much. It's like a dream come true क्योंकि बचपन से मैं बहुत ही बड़ा सुपर हीरो फ़ैन हूँ, खासकर स्पाइडरमैन. हालांकि मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि मेरा सपना हाफ पूरा हो गया. I want to be Spider-Man actually someday. So this is one step closer for me. So yeah. Thank you so much for choosing me, and I hope I didn't let you guys down, and I hope you guys enjoyed the trailer, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the film because the film is something else.
Vivek, obvious question. Thought behind having Tiger on board.
See, I think obviously when it's important that when you get a talent to associate and dub for you, you're looking for two basically things. One is obviously the appeal of the star. Secondly, what is very important is the commitment and the passion that the talent has. And in this case, it was absolutely a no-brainer because Tiger was a big fan of Spider-Man. And the kind of effort that he has put in the dubbing, and you saw that on screen. I think the match is incredible. When you see the film, it's just amazing that how it looks so connected and the voice is sounding so similar that Tiger's done a fantastic job on the film, Tiger. So thank you so much. I think it was really, really incredible. And, I'm sure there's something that special that Tiger has done, and I think he can share it with you as to what efforts he took to, to dub for the film, etc. So,
मुझे याद है when so there were two sort of alter egos, two characters मुझे निभाना था screen पर. One was that of Peter Parker and one was of Spider-Man, of course. So as Spider-Man, I had to sort of to get into the character. मैंने Spider-Man का mask पहन रखा था. So I was wearing his mask and dubbing, and while doing the action sequences, I was actually moving and shouting and reacting to the hits, and it was like I felt like I was part of the film, like I was fighting as Spider-Man. So it was a very surreal experience. Yeah.
Great, guys. Thank you so much. And now we'll open the floor for questions from our friends in the media. So please, guys, they're all yours.
Mr. Shroff?
हाँ जी.
Yeah, this is Ganesh from Bollywood.
Hi.
So basically, I'm trying to ask is basically when Andrew Garfield, जब उन्हें Amazing Spider-Man के लिए पहली बार वो Spider-Man suit पहना था, so he admitted to crying. So because obviously Spider-Man is such an icon, we have all grown around him, and so even Tom Holland has said that wearing the suit is something special. Yeah. So, was it a very? Did you have any kind of a emotional experience when you were in that dubbing room and when you were Spider-Man in the dubbing?
I was also crying क्योंकि एक नकाब के पीछे I could hide my tears. So I was also crying out of joy, and it was a surreal experience, and I was really enjoying it. Yeah.
Okay, Tiger, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, VO करना. If you can hear my voice,
कहाँ
I'm
पे
here.
हो सर?
I'm
कहाँ
here.
पे हो?
I'm here.
हाँ, हाँ.
एक VO करना और वो भी स्पाइडरमैन जैसा, जब हम स्पाइडरमैन की बात करते हैं, पूरी दुनिया जानती है स्पाइडरमैन के बारे में. तो क्या तैयारियां की आपने? डू यू सेड समथिंग जस्ट राइट नाउ, बट स्टिल वांट टू नो कि एक VO करना है और उसी में सब एक्टिंग करनी है, अपने जज्बात बताने हैं. जैसे आपने कहा कि आप मास्क लगा के और पूरी, जैसे आपको मार रहा है कोई, उसका भी उसका भी आप आवाज दे रहे हैं कि आपको लग रही है. क्या तैयारियां करी हैं? डू यू वेंट इन सम सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग, व्हेन गिविंग अ वॉइस? एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंट.
No, actually, no training whatsoever. I was offered, and then I was called into the dubbing room, और तब शुरू हुई थी कहानी. And I think मेरे लिए आसान था क्योंकि I had a great actor like Tom Holland, जो हॉलीवुड एक्टर है स्पाइडरमैन का. I had to just sort of copy him to the best of my ability. और तो मुझे खाली रिपीट करना था जो वो कर रहे थे, और कोशिश की मैंने टू sort of keep his character alive.
जैसे आपने कहा कि आपका कंटिन्यू ख्वाब पूरा होता जा रहा है स्पाइडरमैन से रिलेटेड. क्या फिल्म का मौका मिले आपको हॉलीवुड में स्पाइडरमैन बनने का, करना चाहेंगे? व्हाट इज योर, डू यू थिंक द ड्रीम कम ट्रू वंस यू गेट द ऑफर?
जैसे मैं कह रहा था, एक चाइल्डहुड से सपना था, एंड सपना है. तो या आई थिंक इफ़ आई एवर गेट एन ऑफर आई विल डेफिनेटली डू इट. और मैं ये भी साबित करना चाहूँगा उन सब से कि जो कुछ भी स्पाइडरमैन करता है मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. और बस और शायद बजट का भी थोड़ा उतना खर्च नहीं होगा क्योंकि मैं केबल्स ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ. तो
Hi, I'm Anshita from Animation Express.
Hi.
So my question is that did you have to do any kind of research or study on Spider-Man's and Peter Parker's personality for giving the voice?
Not really, ma'am. I've been a fan of Spider-Man growing up, and I've seen all the films, and recently I've seen Homecoming as well. So, that being said, I sort of know the characteristics of Peter Parker, and yeah, I just sort of try to keep them intact.
So, like I'm telling you, the match is incredible. I mean, it's just, and the fact that he's so passionate about it. He was modest earlier, ki yaar, I just had to do it as simply, but it is not. It's actually taken a lot of effort on his part to kind of get it right, and the effort that he's put in is absolutely, immense. So,
But Vivek, why Tiger Shroff and not anyone else?
like I mentioned, one, he's got great appeal amongst the youngsters, amongst the kids, and amongst the elder people. So the appeal ranges from 8 to 80. And that's what Spider-Man also stands for. He's also India's most popular superhero. He's India's most popular superstar as well. So therefore, there's a great match in that sense. And the fact that you can't get anybody else who can be more committed to the job than somebody who's so passionate about the character himself. So I think there was absolutely no doubt in our heads that when we kind of thought, we have to get somebody really, really special for this, and we couldn't think of anybody besides Tiger. I think in our meetings there was no other name that came up except for
I
Tiger.
think that's thank you so much. That's very sweet of you, Vivek sir. हालांकि एक करेक्शन है, मैं इंडिया का सबसे पॉपुलर सुपरस्टार नहीं हूँ.
One of the most popular.
बचकान हूँ मैं.
Okay.
बाप मेरा बाप है तो इसमें. और या, but thank you sir, thank you, very
That's
kind.
true.
But Tiger, what was your first reaction when you came to know that you've been doing voiceover for the?
What was my first reaction? Oh, I was over the moon, sir. I was over the moon, and I was most happy because I was going to get to see the film as well. So yeah, I was very happy.
Tiger.
Hrithik Roshan or Jackie Shroff?
Tiger?
Why Ritik, I understand. Why Jackie Shroff?
I thought you would ask otherwise.
क्योंकि सच बात ये है कि मेरे पापा एक्चुअली इंडिया का सबसे पहला सुपर हीरो थे. शिवा का इंसाफ करके एक पिक्चर थी उनकी 1985 में, एंड दैट वाज इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट 3D सुपर हीरो फिल्म. सो या, ही वाज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही इज़ आल्सो माय हीरो, and he is my superhero. I mean, every son's first hero is their father, I think, or daughter. Yeah.
ओके टाइगर, गिवन अ चॉइस, अगर किसी बॉलीवुड फिल्म का, जहाँ पे मैं क्रिश की बात करता हूँ, और भी कई फिल्में आई हैं जो सुपर हीरो पे बेस हैं, कोई एक किरदार अगर करना चाहें, आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये मैं इसका हिस्सा बनना चाहूँगा, तो कौन सी बॉलीवुड फिल्म होगी, या कौन सा वो सुपर हीरो जो आप करना चाहेंगे?
आई थिंक अगर महाभारत पे अगर कोई मूवी बनेगी या अगर हाँ, oh he's already working on that, okay, so I hope he's watching this interview then. पता नहीं यार, आई थिंक हनुमान जी शायद निभाना चाहूँगा मैं, या राम, या
Tiger, here, center. Hi, this is Nairita from T2. If Tiger Shroff is Spider-Man in real life, who is his Mary Jane?
oh that's a tough one. Can I say Madhuri Dixit?
Okay, sure.
Thanks.
Hi, Tiger. So I'm sure we all are really excited for Spider-Man, but there's also a Rambo coming in. And as soon as Rambo was officially announced, all of us was very excited, including the man himself, Sylvester Stallone.
Yeah.
So I really want to know, how are you prepping up for the character? What's the most challenging part for playing Rambo? And also, after being part of Spider-Man or Rambo, do you have any plans to do a Hollywood flick in future?
As for the prep right now, फिलहाल there is no prep, क्योंकि मुन्ना माइकल की प्रमोशन चल रही है, और उसके बाद I'm getting into Baghi 2, and उसके बाद I have SOTY 2. So Rambo is still far way off, but the prep will definitely be exhausting physically and mentally. खासकर क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा expectation है. It is a cult action film, and it is one of the greatest Hollywood legends, Mark, so I don't want to replace him, but I'm sort of just paying tribute to him, just borrowing it for a bit.
Any plans to enter Hollywood in future?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind if I ever get an offer, but right now I'm quite happy with my lineup. How difficult is it? I'm sure it must be very difficult. I mean, मेरे से 10 गुना बड़े stars मतलब have done so much hard work to get there, जैसे कि प्रियंका चोपड़ा मैम और दीपिका. Both of them are such talented heroines and on the top of their games, and even they have to audition. So yeah, I'm still a long way off, I guess.
Tiger, right here. Nikita from Free Press. I would like to know, Tony Stark is a very sarcastic, very debonair character. So if somebody from Bollywood would be, chosen to play Tony Stark opposite along with you, who would you choose?
Wow, Tony Stark. Maybe Akshay Kumar. I think he would really fit the bill. He's really cool that way, and he's got a great sense of humor. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. हो गया? Oh, okay.
Hello.
Thank you.
So you had one more? Any more questions? Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one more
Yeah,
question.
Komal, go ahead.
Sorry.
Hi. Vivek, are there any special plans to promote the movie? Though obviously Tiger enjoys a huge fan following, but is there a specific promotional plan in place?
Absolutely. I think, for us, this is the biggest film, and the plans are, equally big as well. One of the key things is obviously, with Tiger's help, obviously we increase the reach of the film, get it down to like BNC centers as well, where, he's got a huge fan following. So therefore the film gets, a wider exposure. Besides that, we are also kind of, and you'll see it probably in a day or so, we are leveraging virtual reality technology to promote the film, where we're going to be putting up kiosks across various theaters, various malls, etc., where it actually virtually transports you into the world of Spider-Man. So fans can experience that and become Spider-Man along with that virtual reality experience. Plus, we are also kind of looking at, in terms of obviously regular media that we're obviously doing digitally. We're doing some very, very interesting, innovative stuff that you'll see. So all in all, I think our plans are pretty robust. Fact that we're kind of going out, in such large, we're going up with close to about 1,000+ screens in India. So I think to that extent, it just shows the scale of the film and our commitment behind it in that sense.
Tiger, one last question. Though there is a lot of excitement around Baghi 2, you would be teaming up with Disha for the first time. Considering the friendly equation that you guys share, would you be more at ease or say comfortable working with her?
Definitely. More at ease for sure, because we share such a great bond, and I'm very comfortable around her. So yeah, I think to answer your question, yes.
You said this is like a dream come true for you. Any other dream?
Half
that you
dream
have?
come true. Half other dream come true.
Yes. Any other dream that you would like to get fulfilled?
I want to be Spider-Man. That is my dream.
And what is-
and of course make I mean, like every son would want to make his or her, son or daughter would want to make his or her parent proud. I would want to just make my parents proud. That's the ultimate dream.
At least I can tell you that Aisha ma'am is extremely proud of you.
Chalo, I'm happy then. Thank you.
We should cross the bridge when the river comes. Thank you so much, guys.
I'm
and
बहुत ज़्यादा
love for the
काम है
photo.
actually. हकीकत ये है कि it's very tiring. But yeah, if I get the chance to and if schedule permits, I'd love to. If they offer me.